Look at this. An owl was injured and fell in the middle of the road after an accident. A woman feared it might be run over, so she gently covered it with a cloth and moved it aside. But the owl could not fly, so she took it home and rushed it to the vet. The checkup showed its feathers were fine, but its vision was blurry, causing confusion. The vet gave eye drops and rest helped it recover. They bathed the owl and it chirped happily, dried it with a hairdryer and brought food every day. Slowly, trust grew between them. Once its eyes healed, it started flying again. One day, it collected small dolls and gifted the most beautiful one to the woman. When it was time to leave, it brought a letter to the window. Now it visits daily, keeping a respectful distance. What an unusual and beautiful friendship.